iremember is a notes app that lives inside your browser. Now, I made this with the intention of making your note-taking experience kind of automatic. So how does this work? And what really makes this app easier and more convenient to use than, basically all other notes apps in existence? The basic idea is this. You go to a website, and as soon as you open the app, you can write your notes on that page right away if you have something to write. That seems pretty simple, but that still doesn't make it any different from other notes apps. iremember is in a unique niche of notes apps where currently, we are the only notes apps that is specifically geared for writing a lot of notes as a Chrome extension. You can simply open your browser and you will see your notes as soon as you visit a website. Now, this is where our Chrome extension is even more interesting. Because one problem I noticed among notes apps is that you can see all of your notes at once. Now, that doesn't seem like a problem, obviously, because you want all your notes available, but you get to a point where you're writing down a lot of notes and suddenly you're getting lost trying to figure out what notes you need, or you can't imagine where notes have to be written. That's where our notes are different. Each website has its own different set of notes. You go to a website and you will only see notes that exist for that website. So I'm currently in studio.youtube.com, right? Because I'm kind of a pretend content creator right now. And my goal here is obviously to create a new video. Now you want to be focused, right? Ideally, you would only want to see notes that exist for studio.youtube.com in this case. You can post YouTube videos that might be a reference to a video that you'd want to imitate in the future. You can write ideas on future videos or keep track of certain things. You can even use a Trello board and then keep track of your progress there if, Trello is something that you use. The way our notes are set up, it will be easier for you to get the information that you wrote down for your different workspaces, which in this case tend to be separated by websites. And iremember does that perfectly. Let's say that maybe there's going to be a situation where you want a note to be shown across multiple websites. The solution there is simple. Simply convert your note to a global note, and then you have the option to show this note object in all websites, or you can choose let me choose, and then on your other websites where you want to see this note, just go to the global notes tab and select it from there. The best thing about this is that it makes you more compelled to write notes just by its sheer availability. Because if you're a new note taker, writing notes might not always be on your mind. Now in this case, as long as you're in the browser, the application will always be there, waiting for you to save some information that you'll want to remember later. So anyway, that's all for now. There's a link to the Chrome extension in the description below if you want to try it out. If you're kind of new to note taking, then hopefully you can start using iremember to be your own personal memory board. Comment below if you have any questions about the Chrome extension, or if you have any features that you want to suggest. Feel free to comment it down below because, I am definitely taking some suggestions. See you next time.